Okay, so as you can see by the title, I got a 4007 ES. This is the IDNAC version, and it's the Platinum version. So I finally have a use for this USB stick, the Simplex USB stick. And also you might be wondering, why did you get this panel if it's proprietary? Well, I do have the programming software for it. I'm not going to be telling you how I got it, but I do have it. So anyways, let's go on to the unboxing. Oh damn, this is nice. So let me get my B key, which is over here. So let me get it. Damn, this is nice. Oh wow, the touchscreen isn't that bad actually. Wow. So this is just gonna be an unboxing video. I'm not actually gonna be powering it up in this video. If you're expecting that, you're gonna have to wait. But yeah, this is what was just an unboxing. I hope you liked it, and bye.